Hello everyone, I am Dua, a consultant clinical psychologist, and today we'll be talking about panic attacks. If you're watching this right now, I want you to hear this first. You are not dying, you are not losing control. This will pass, okay? A panic attack feels intense because your nervous system is in survival mode, not because something is wrong with you. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to stop the sensation. You don't need to calm down immediately. Just stay here with me. If possible, sit back or lie down. Let your body be supported. Notice where your body is touching the chair, bed, or floor. You are here. You are safe. Enough in this moment. Okay? So, let's talk about what's actually happening in your body. A panic attack is a false alarm. Okay, your brain has activated the fight or flight system even when though there is no real danger. That's why you might feel racing heart, shortness of breath, dizziness, tight chest, nausea, tingling, fear of losing control or dying. These sensations are uncomfortable, but when they are not dangerous. Okay, your heart can beat fast and still be healthy. Your breath can feel shallow and still give you oxygen. Dizziness does not mean you will faint, okay? Your body is doing exactly what it was designed to do, just at the wrong time, okay? So, one thing that keeps a panic going is fighting it, okay? Notice if your mind is saying, make it stop. I can't handle this. Something bad is happening. Instead of fighting, try this. Silently say, this is panic. I know what this is. You are not required to like it. You are not required to relax it. Just recognize it. Panic feeds on fear of panic. And when fear drops, even a little, the panic loses fuel. And breathing without forcing. We are not going to take big breaths, okay? Big breaths can actually make panic worse. So instead, place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly, okay? One hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Let your breathing be gentle, slow, unforced, okay? And try this rhythm. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds and exhale through the mouth for 6. Inhale through the nose for 4. Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, exhale through the mouth for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, inhale through the nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale through the mouth for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The exhale tells your nervous system no emergency. When you exhale through your mouth, what happens is if there is any emotional exhaustion present there, you would find relief. Okay. At times, there are a lot of things someone has said to you. There are a lot of things going on in your mind. There are a lot of things that has happened to you, or you might be thinking about the future and you might have a panic attack. Okay. So if and yes, even if I'll again make a video for this too, because it would be very long then. Like for instance, if you are very in a stressful situation, okay, and you sleep with closed mouth, that again, it won't let you sleep well. Okay. So you can let your mouth open for at least those exhales and do deep breathing a lot in the morning and at night too. That would really help you, okay? So when you would exhale through your mouth, it would relieve the the emotional exhaustion present there. And you'll find relief, okay? And at times there are stress is stored in your abdomen area. Okay, so it will relax it too. And you'll have a peaceful sleep because at times people are not having good sleep. Okay, that is also an issue for them. So if your breath feels tight, that's okay. You are not doing this wrong. Even slightly slowing the exhale helps. Okay, stay for this for a few minutes. And now, now we gently reconnect with the present moment. Okay, name the 5 things that you can see. Slowly look around. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you can name the 5 things that you can see. Okay, now name 4 things that you can feel. Clothes on your skin, the chair, your feet, anything. Okay, 4 things that you can feel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Name 3 things that you can hear, near or far sounds. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, name 2 things that you can smell or smells like you like. Okay? 1, 2. I hope you have found the answer. Now, name 1 thing that you can taste or simply notice your mouth. Okay? You are not trying to escape panic. You are reminding your brain where you are. Okay? Now, notice the sensations in your body. Notice the sensations in your body. And choose one sensation. Just one. Instead of pushing it away, observe it like a scientist. Where is it? Does it move? Does it change? And say quietly, I allow this sensation to be here. Where is it? Where is it? Does it move? Does it move? Does it change? Does it change? Now say quietly, I allow this sensation to be here. Panic cannot stay at its peak forever. It rises, it peaks, and it falls. Your job is not to stop the wave, only to ride it. Okay. Now, you guys might have noticed some catastrophic thoughts. Okay. So, if your mind says, I am going to lose control, this time is different, and I can't handle this. Now respond gently. I am having a thought, not a fact. Thoughts during panic are symptoms, not warnings, okay? You have survived this before, even if it didn't feel like it. Your body always turns to balance, okay? So, if it feels okay, try one of these. Gently press your feet into the floor. Gently press your feet into the floor. Wrap your arms around yourself. Wrap your arms around yourself. Place one hand on your chest. Place one hand on your chest. Gently press your feet into the floor. Wrap your arms around yourself and place a hand on your chest and slowly say, I am safe enough right now. I am safe enough right now. I am safe enough right now. Your body responds to tone, not logic. Okay? And speak kindly to yourself the way you would to someone you love. Okay? Now, notice what has changed. Maybe the intensity is lower. Maybe it's the same, but you are less afraid. Both are progress. You did not escape, you stayed, you allowed. And that's how panic loses its power. Each time you stay with it, your nervous system learns I survived. Now, this session will end. Your body knows how to calm itself. You are not broken, You are not weak. You're responding to stress, fear, and overload. Panic attacks are treatable. They are reversible, and they do not define you. Stay here as long as you need. Replay whenever panic shows up, and you are safe enough right now. If you guys have liked my today's video, please like it, comment me below, and let me know what videos do you need more. Okay? Do not ever feel alone. I am with you. If you guys need therapeutic sessions, you guys can let me know in the comment section. Connect with me and we can have a session. Okay? Don't worry at all. I am with you. If you guys today liked today's video, please subscribe it and share it with your other friends as well so that they can get benefit from it. So stay tuned. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.